Hello, today we will guide you through how to run the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. If you've been experiencing installation issues, update failures, or lingering traces from older Adobe apps, this official utility is designed to help. It removes problem files and entries that can interfere with normal operation, and it does so in a targeted way so your system stays tidy. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things straightforward. You'll open the tool, choose your language, and then follow the prompts on screen. Along the way, I'll point out what to expect so you can move confidently. Start by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool on your computer. Depending on your system, it may appear as a small app window or a command line screen. If your device asks whether to allow the app to make changes, choose to continue so the utility can access the areas it needs to clean. Because this is an official Adobe utility, it focuses only on Adobe-related components. Give it a moment to initialize. You may see it gather information about current Adobe installations before presenting the next prompt. When the language screen appears, select either English or Japanese, whichever you're most comfortable reading. This choice controls the text of every instruction, warning, and confirmation that follows, so pick the option that will help you understand each step clearly. Confirm the selection if asked, and wait for the interface to switch into the language you chose. Next, simply follow the on-screen procedure from start to finish. You will typically review and accept the license terms, then the tool will scan for installed Adobe apps and related components. It will present categories and items it can clean, such as installer cache files or entries left from previous versions. Read each description carefully so you understand what will be removed. Selecting only the items you intend to clean reduces the chance of removing components you still need. When you continue, the tool will ask you to confirm your choices before it makes any changes. A progress indicator will show the status of the cleanup, and messages will appear if the utility needs your confirmation. When the cleanup completes, the tool usually provides a summary and may generate a log file for reference. Follow any final prompts you see on screen, including a restart request if the utility advises it. That's all there is to it. By opening the Cleaner tool, choosing your language, and following the guided procedure, you help ensure a smooth, reliable environment for Adobe applications. Take your time with each prompt, rely on the explanations provided in your chosen language, and let the utility complete its work.